Hello everyone. As you can see, I have my new Xbox Series X in front of me, and I just recently subscribed to Game Pass. I know, it took me a long time to do it. I broke down, but one of the great things about the deals going on right now is basically I was able to do 3 years of gold with Xbox Live, and for $1, I converted those 3 years into Game Pass Ultimate. So that includes everything that I already had, plus I have access to games on both my PC as well as on the Xbox. So it's really a great deal, but one of the problems I'm running into, even with a terabyte of space, is I'm running out of space already. So that's why I picked up this guy. You probably heard about it. Basically, it is the storage expansion card. It adds basically more than doubles the amount of space that you had on your Series X. And what's great about it is it has the same speed as the existing internal drive that you already have. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and unbox this guy. We're going to go ahead and install him. And then from there, what we'll do is we'll try to go ahead and boot it up and see what happens, seeing what you're going to see the first time you actually insert the expansion card. And it's going to be my first time doing the capture out of the Xbox, so we'll see what ends up happening with that. So while we're going through this, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask down below. If you're liking the video, give it a thumbs up. It helps the channel. So let's go ahead and unbox the expansion card and see what we've got. Trusty knife, as we do on the channel. There's probably another way to do this, but oh well. See if that gets us out. There we go. Oh, goodness. That thing's tiny. Let me get that. So yes, you saw that right. I did drop the card, and this thing is so tiny. Tiny. Look at that. It's smaller than a credit card. All right, so let's put the cap on that one more time. Let's see what else is in the box. Bunch of cardboard, some instructions, and we'll put this back in this and in that. All right. So you take off the cover, you insert it, and that's it. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, so let's go ahead and move the Xbox around here. Hopefully you guys can see that. And feels like it can only go one way. All right, we're done. 1 extra terabyte. All right, so what we're gonna do is we'll go ahead and hook this all up, and hopefully you'll be able to see what I see on my screen. All right, so that was about as painless as it possibly could have been. Basically, we just inserted the expansion card, and basically it took 30 to 45 seconds to format, and then we just selected it as a place to store our new games, and it just worked. So kudos to Seagate and Xbox for making that happen. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about how I did the video capture, why I went to Game Pass, or anything like that, feel free to ask down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And I do invite you to subscribe to the channel. We do have things on the channel about gaming. I am not a professional gamer, however. I tend to game more in the wintertime, especially as we get closer to winter break. So that's why I was excited when the Series X was released, and that's why I subscribe to Game Pass. So if you have any questions on that, feel free to ask down below. If you are interested in gaming or anything a professional geek might be interested in, whether that be the Xbox, whether that be the Oculus 2, whether that be Star Wars, electronics, home automation, or anything like that, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. And with that, have a great day.